How to start a conversation if that person who has hurt me is a close one and there is an awkwardness in bringing in the topic. Look at all that you can do and focus on that. Look at all that you can do. Look at all that is possible and focus on that. You will never be able to do everything, but you will always have something that you can do. You may not be able to resolve things completely, but there is certainly something that you can do. Our country, India, has 100 issues. There is no person who can solve all the 100, but each one of us can solve a little of one of the issues. जो कर सकते हैं उसमें ध्यान दो ना, जो नहीं कर सकते हैं उसको थोड़ा साइड में रखना. COVID-19 लॉकडाउन, I can't go to the gym. अभी सुबह शाम में भजन करूंगा, यार जिम बंद है, यार जिम बंद है, यार जिम बंद है. And then as if my opinion is important, hey, Narendra Modi, he should open the gyms. Correct? That's all Narendra Modi has left. Listening to you. Or what I can do, are there online fitness classes on YouTube? Is somebody taking a session on Zoom? नहीं, Zoom में मजा नहीं आता है. बाकी लोग जो Zoom में कर रहे हैं उनको कैसे मजा आता है? वो सब बेवकूफ है. इतने लोगों को मजा आ रहा है, तेरे को मजा नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब प्रॉब्लम किधर है? You can't change. Why? No, but I'm used to the gym. Correct. You were used to the womb of your mother for 9 months. Why did you come out? काय को बाहर है? वहां क्यों नहीं प्रोटेस्ट किया? नहीं, I'm so used to the comfort inside the Zoom from the womb of the mother. Mama, can I stay here permanently? और at least elephant होता कितना मजा आता था. Do you know elephants' pregnancies for 2 years? क्या यार, bad luck यार, human being. छे, elephant होता तो मस्त एकदम साइज भी होता अपना, और क्या कलर का भी लोचा नहीं होता, सब वो डार्क ब्लैक टाइप का ही है. और क्या मस्त लंबी सूंड होती थी अपने को, इधर उधर से जितना गन्ना खाने का है खाते रहने का. क्या ऐश वाला लाइफ. Correct. For all that you know, in the last birth you were elephant, you saw one human being and you said, यार ये human being इद्दी पिद्दी सा मेरा माहौत बन गया, मेरे को कंट्रोल कर रहा है. छे, I wanted a life of a human being, and you were given that now. Some of us have this uncanny ability to focus on things which we can't do. And I say life is controlled by people who focus on things which they can do. और वो सब बहुत आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. वो सब बहुत आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. If a person who has hurt you is a closed one, there's an awkwardness in bringing up the topic, you have many more people in life. चलो मजा करो. And if there is an awkwardness, don't bring up that topic, but do something to make that relationship better. Pamper that person. Take care of that person. And if you want to experiment pampering, I can tell you a list of things that you can do for me. I'll make you expert in pampering. When somebody is close to you, all you need to do is make them feel good and they will open up to you. That's all. The moment they feel comfortable with you, they will open up. So focus on that.